Let us find the value of x from the given equation. As you can see, the equation includes roots and powers, roots and exponents. Now, few things are important to remember here. The one is that when you have anything given like under root a, any number, if it is under root, then it means a is raised to the power 1 by 2. That's the basics. Now, if you break down the left hand side, what you actually see is under root 10 is multiplied by 2 times under root 10 is multiplied by 3 times under root 10 and then multiplied by 4 times under root 10. It looks weird, but this is what we are doing, and that is equal to 1000 raised to the power x. Now, from the first one, as I told you, if anything is under root, it means that number is raised to the power 1 by 2. So from here, this 10 is raised to the power 1 by 2. Then multiplied by second 10 is raised to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by again 1 by 2 because there are 2 roots. And then the third one is 10 raised to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 because of the 3 roots. And the fourth one, 10 raised to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 because of the 4 times the roots are given. And then that is equal to 1000 raised to the power x. Now, from the formula, the left hand side is equal to 1000 raised to the power x. Again, we are going to use one formula, which is if a is raised to the power m and that is multiplied by a raised to the power n, then we simply add the powers. So a raised to the power m plus n. This we are going to use very soon. Before that, let's further simplify all the given terms here. So 10 raised to the power 1 by 2 remains 10 raised to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 becomes 1 by 4, and then 10 raised to the power 1 by 8 and then 10 raised to the power 1 by 16. That is given equal to 1000 raised to the power x. Now let's use this formula in the left hand side. That is, as the bases are same, as you see the bases are same. In the formula also the bases are same, a and a. So then we take the base and then we add all the exponents or we add all the powers. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. And that is equal to 10 raised to the power x. 1000 raised to the power x. So 1000 can be written as 10 into 10 into 10 raised to the power x. Right? So this becomes, the left hand side becomes, now we can add 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16. This addition is actually 15 by 16. You can try it by yourself. And that is equal to, now 10 is 3 times, that means 10 is raised to 3 and then whole of the term is raised to x. And we can write this as 10 raised to the power 15 by 16 is equal to 10 raised to the power. From the formula, now here we can use the formula a raised to the power m, and the whole expression, if it is raised to the power n, it becomes a raised to the power m multiplied by n. And for this term here, 3 and x is given, so we will use the same formula. So it will become 10 raised to the power 3 multiplied by x is 3x. Now you can see the bases are same. That means the exponents are also same because of the equality. So we will write 3x from here, that is equal to 15 by 16. And x is equal to, if we take the 3 on the right hand side, it becomes 15 by 16 multiplied by 1 by 3. Alright, and that gives the answer 15 ones are 15 and 16 threes are 48. So x is equal to 15 by 48, and that is your value of x. Thank you.